Hi, my name is Oscar Julian Guzman. I belong to the UNAD music program. I'm going to talk about my family. My family is composed of 5 people: my mother, my wife, my daughter, my nephew, and me. This picture was taken in Santa Marta, Colombia. We were on vacation. My mother is 66 years old. She is very beautiful. As you can see in this picture, my mother is shorter than my wife. My nephew is taller than me, but I am taller than my wife and my mother. My wife is fatter than my nephew, but I am fatter than my wife. My nephew is slimmer than me, but I am slimmer than my mother. Well, this picture is recent. It was taken in my daughter's first communion. As you can see, my mother is taller than my daughter, but I am taller than my mother. I am slimmer than my mother, but I am fatter than my daughter. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.